Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your science class today. Today we will start a new chapter, our nervous system. You know, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our sense organs. And with these sense organs, we collect information from our surroundings. In this chapter, we will learn about nervous system, reflex action and functions of sense organs. Now students, close your eyes and try to feel things. Are you able to recognize them? How do you recognize things with your eyes closed? You remember things that you have seen before. You remember how they look and feel. Similarly, you recognize sounds you have heard before. You know the taste of foods that you may have eaten earlier. Do you know how you were able to recognize and remember things? It is the nervous system of your body that helps you to remember what you hear, feel, see, taste and experience. Our nervous system is made up of three parts. First is brain, second is spinal cord and a vast network of nerves. The nervous system controls every movement of the body and the working of all the organs. It controls your heartbeat, breathing, digestion of food, memory, speech, and the overall functioning of the body. That means everything, every function we do with our body is controlled by our nervous system. You are able to write, read, think and remember because of your nervous system only. It helps you to learn also. The nervous system helps the body to perform all its functions. Next, the first thing, the brain. The brain is soft and delicate like jelly, which is why it is protected within the skull. The skull is made up of several strong and hard bones. Earlier, you read it that the skull has immovable joints. The space between the brain and the skull bones is filled with a fluid. The fluid protects the brain from jerks. The brain has three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. The cerebrum is the largest and the uppermost part of the brain. It helps you to think, remember and learn. It also controls and functions of the eyes, ears, nose and tongue. Next comes cerebellum. The cerebellum controls movements and maintains the balance of the body. It enables a person stand, walk, run, swim, jump and sit. Next, medulla. The medulla is the lowermost part of the brain. The medulla regulates functions such as heartbeat, circulation of blood and breathing. So children, we will finish here today. Next day we will learn about the other two parts, spinal cord and nerves. Thank you and goodbye.